Okay, today I have Karley, my daughter-in-law, and my two grandbabies, Ledger and Lindley, with me today. And so Karley has a whole summer kit of different things that she's been using on her kiddos this summer. So we are gonna make a couple of those today and share them with you. One of her most requested recipes were these hydration pops, or what do you call them?
Electrolyte watermelon pops.
Popsicles?
Popsicles. Strawberry.
So what all do they need for that?
So watermelon, strawberries, some Celtic salt, mint, raw honey if you're over 1. And then if you're under 1 and you're even used to your little ones, then you want to use maple syrup. So you want to add 4 cups of watermelon to a blender. And then about 2 cups of strawberry. And then you're going to want to take a little bit of mint. And then it's 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And then 1 packet of the Recharge electrolytes. This is the strawberry flavor.
Help me. Squeeze.
A tablespoon of honey. And then we'll mix it. And then you want to just take this and put this in the freezer for a few hours.
Oh, look at them. They're nice. Do you like it? Okay, so if you want to make the watermelon strawberry electrolyte pops for your kiddos, the benefit to them is going to hydrate them without all the sugar of the conventional popsicles and give them some minerals along with it while they're sweating and their little bodies are busy this summer. Okay, so next up we're gonna make the chlorine neutralizer spray. So if your kiddos are spending lots of time in the summer, this is a great pack in DIY to take along with you when you go to the pool to neutralize the chlorine so as it can get your little bodies.
So the reason I like to use this chlorine neutralizer spray is chlorine is the necessary evil of summer. It's really drying and irritating to the skin, especially the little ones. So this is just a super simple recipe to use before going in and when you get out of the pool.
And this part's just chemistry. It's not a wellness claim. Ascorbic acid actually neutralizes chlorine. It's the same thing water treatment plants use to dechlorinate water. So it genuinely works. Karley's going to show us how to make this for big kids and little kids alike this summer.
You'll want a 6-ounce spray bottle. And then you just want to fill it almost all the way up with water. A tablespoon of the ascorbic acid. And then 5 drops of frankincense. And 5 drops of lavender. And these are just really gentle oils for the skin, especially after fluorine exposure and fun in the suns. And then it is good to spray on their body and suit, just not the face or eyes.
So next up, we're going to go through Karley's summer kit that she carries everywhere she goes.
First, for bugs.
So our Dairy Shield blend doesn't have DEET in it. Everybody knows the toxicity of DEET, especially on little bodies and problems that it can create. So this is a really good alternative, which is natural, and you can spray it multiple times on them without disrupting things within their body.
So I have Heliprism, Correct-X. These are really good to have on hand just when little ones fall and scrape their legs, and then also some Band-Aids. For all the hot days, this is really good to have on hand to cool down those little ones. Just on the back of the neck, the Sun spray. We always keep this in the bag just for a long day in the sun. And for any bumps, this is great to have on hand too.
Okay, so we have you covered from bugs to bumps to bruises to cuts to abrasions and even bees. Slap some lavender on and a little peppermint oil on if you get one of your kiddos gets stung by a bee. So if you're looking to also create a little summer kit for yourself, we'll be sure to drop links below and all of the recipes for the things that Karley shared with us today. If you like this content, please give us a like, a subscribe. It will help us bring health and wellness to more people.